Hello friends, welcome to our Somali language course. My name is Haji Abdullahi and I will be your Somali language instructor. As you know, Somali language is spoken by more than 30 million people who live around the world and mostly in East Africa. It's widely used in Somalia, Djibouti, Kenya, and also Ethiopia. By learning Somali language, you will be able to understand and communicate Somali people. As you can see, Somali language, they use Latin alphabet just like English, which means they have a lot of similarities and same sounds like ba, ta, ja. But also they have some special letters which is not found in English, like ha, a, and so on. Now let's go through the Somali alphabet. Somali alphabet, they have 21 consonants and 5 main vowels. Try to repeat with me. Ba, ba, ta, ta, ja, ja, ha, ha, kha, kha, da, da, ra, ra, sa, sa, sha, sha, la, la, a, a, ga, ga, fa, fa, qa, qa, ka, ka, la, la, ma, ma, na, na, wa, wa, ha, ha, ya, ya. Don't worry if you feel difficult now. We will practice them step by step. Try one more time to repeat with me quickly. Ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, la, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Very good. You are doing fantastic job. Now let's practice special letters that's different from English. Let's start the letter A. It's a deep throat sound like Arabic A. For those who know Arabic language, they know this letter A. The next sound is Ha. It's like Ha, but stronger and deeper from the throat. Another special letter is Qa. It's a deep Ka sound from the back of the mouth. And now we can practice the three letters which are Da, Kha, and Sha. There are two letters, but they make one sound. Now we come to the most important part, which are vowels. In Somali, the vowels are very simple and constant. In English, vowels, it's tricky and it's not easy to pronounce. For example, the letter A, it has different sounds. Like the word car, it sounds like ah. And the word care, this A, it sounds like A. So it's a little bit tricky. But the good thing is in Somalia, all the vowels are constant and it's very easy and never changes. So let's see the basic Somali vowels. Try to repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Let me repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Somali also, they have long vowels, which is also very important. Try to repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel, you have to make it double. A long vowel means you hold the sound a little bit longer when you speak. So you have to say A, E, I, O, U. And it's a little bit different for the short vowel, which pronounce like A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Once you learn the consonants and the vowels, you can read and write the Somali words and sentence perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep practicing and see you next time. Nabad Gelio. Bye bye.